So what's the secret to getting to $10 million with dropshipping? Well, we're gonna talk about it today. In fact, let me do something better. We're gonna start a whole series to get you guys from 0 to 100K with dropshipping. And the very first thing we're gonna talk about isn't how to set up your Shopify store and set up Facebook ads and stuff. We're gonna have to do some homework, because one of the things that really got me to $10 million with dropshipping is working on my fundamentals, okay? Working on actual real marketing skills, okay? You guys need to set the baseline of how you're gonna interpret all this information you're learning on YouTube. Because if you're gonna be learning Facebook ads and all this stuff without a strong base, it's not gonna make sense, and you're going to be overthinking some things that don't have to do with generating actual real results. It's not gonna make an impact, okay? You know, the 80-20 rule, okay? So let's just get into it. Let's start with some books. I'm gonna give you guys my book recommendations, and then in the next videos, we're actually gonna get into the technical stuff, how to build your offers, right? How to really create your site and make people want to buy, generate that impulse, that I wanna buy this now impulse from customers, okay? And what really goes into it. So if that sounds like something interesting, please comment below, subscribe to my channel, share this video so I know to keep making videos like this, or else I just, I'll get lazy and it's just not worth it, right? If you don't see enough demand, then you don't create things. Like, if there's no, you guys know what I mean, right? All right, let's start with the books. All right, so it's not gonna be much mindset books. Some of it will be, there's your typical books like influence and stuff. Recommend you read those books too. But let's start with some direct response marketing books. The Boron Letters, okay? Copywriting. Okay, read this book, guys. Over Deliver, Direct Response Marketing. Pretty modern book, I would say. It's pretty good. Actually, I hired an agency, and their owner recommended me to read this book, and it really changed. Just read it. The E-Myth Revise. More about just how to build your business, why it might fail. Just stirring that critical thinking, your business brain. Same thing with this. The Almanac of Naval, Ravikant, or however. Highly recommend you guys read this book as well, okay? Because you guys are gonna make money, right? You guys need to know what to do with your money and how to scale your business, and this helps you with life is business. So read this book. Some more copywriting books. I've never been good at English, like never presented. Like I literally had to force myself to present in the last 2 years. I had to work on these skills that I never was good at. Like, that's why I'm shit at talking right now. That's why you guys might be, what the hell is this guy saying? But yeah, this is a good book. Cash advertising as well. More advertising books. More advertising books. I don't know how to pronounce his name. Aljivi on advertising. Okay. More business books by Patrick Bet-David. I used to watch all his videos when I was starting out. Last year, or 2019, yeah, it was a pretty tough year for me because I was trying to make this business model work, and the way I would get through my days was I would listen to Ed Mylett and Patrick Bet-David to get myself motivated, because it's super discouraging when you're starting out and you're starting from scratch. You got no mentors, and everyone around you just doesn't understand what you're trying to do. Yeah, and you need someone in your ear at all time, feeding you positivity, encouraging words, putting you in check, right? Because not a lot of us have access to mentors and a community and circle. It's called force guided feedback. You get pressured from a community, right? Let's say you're studying in a study group right now, and these books are covering me. Let's say you're studying in a studying group, right? And you're the only one goofing around. You're obviously gonna feel like an idiot, right? So you get back on track and start studying, okay? That's force guided feedback. You guys can search it up. A way I improved massively fast, super fast, and got fast results was I interacted within a community. They put me in check. If I had questions, I would ask them. Sometimes they would call me idiot, but that's useful feedback, right? It's like being thrown a gold bar at your head, right? Either take it and then you look down and you pick it up. It might hurt, but you got a golden nugget from it. You learned something. Principles by Ray Dalio. More business stuff. I'm kind of lacking some marketing books, but one of the best things you guys can do is reverse engineer, right? And work on your ability to make proper decisions. So if you guys can't read books, get audiobooks. okay? And just listen to them. And that's your guys' homework for this video. And then I'll make another video if I see enough demand. So make sure you guys comment, like, and share. And yeah, here's my OC one-click upsell $1 million merchant. $1 million in upsells. You know, upsells is something we're gonna be talking about. It's super important. You guys want one of these? I'm gonna teach you guys how to get one of these. Right? So I'll see you guys in the next video.